Hi guys, Mama Mita here, and today I want to give you the tour of our new place. Okay, so we're going to start out with letting you see how we have this big, nice handicap ramp here. I mean, it's really long, so I would have no problems on my bad days of mobility issues. And then this is our living room. So when you first come into this, you don't really realize once you get in here that this is actually used to be a schoolroom. Okay, so this is our living room. This is kind of the more the setup for like if we have somebody come over and stuff. And if you see over there, right there, that's our new guest. Well, not our guest, she's our new baby. Can you say hello? Can you say hello? This is Mikosh, and Mikosh is 15 years old. She's a senior girl now. So now she was my son and his family's cat, but then the little girl could not take the allergies from Mikosh, even though she's a Russian blue cat. And so Mikosh came over to this part of the house or to the place here, and this was usually the office here. And so she would stay here with the office folks. But then when we moved in, Mikosh became our new baby, right, Mama? She's Papa's girl. She likes to hang out and watch MMA fights. Okay, so now this over here is the living room that my husband and Mikosh likes to hang out and watch MMA. And then we have a bathroom that's over here. Let me put the light on. Okay, so that's a pretty good sized bathroom there. There's no shower, no bathtub in there, but it's a nice big bathroom. And then you can see that part. There's lots of windows in the front, and I've got my walker for the handicap ramp, and I also have a cane now that I can use on my bad day. So that works for me. Mikosh has a big, huge tree house that takes up quite a bit of space. And then our master bedroom, and you can see we got big windows in there also. And we use all the furniture that you see, as, with the exception of this bed, because this was a gift at Christmas. And then all the other furniture was either gifted or we had it in a shipping container, like the IKEA cabinets came from the care home that we had before. And then the rest of the stuff either came from the Goodwill, Value Village, or Habitat for Humanity. And that really saved us a lot because we just did not feel like we needed to spend a ton of money on stuff like that. We didn't want to have really fancy furniture that we had to be always worried with the kids that they were going to mess something up, because we've got 11 grandkids, and they're going to come over for events and things that we would do here at the house, cooking or painting or sewing and stuff. We didn't want to babysit furniture. So let me show you the other side. So now you open up this door. We keep the door open all the time, but when you open up this door, what happens is there's another door over here on this side too that can go out also. This became our kitchen. So what we did, my son had these cabinets here, these IKEA cabinets for over 23 years, and they were really tall all the way up to the ceiling. He took them, undone the top part of them, which is the lower cabinet, and we used that, and that became our cabinet, and that works for us. We had a little bit of cabinet space over there, and so we just kind of used that. And then my other son had this as his side of the apartment, and he used this as his big desk that he did all of his work and stuff at. So what I did is I put a board underneath that, and I put all my crock pots, my bread machine, the things that I like to use, I put it up underneath there. That gave me a lot of space up underneath there. So now over to the side, that's where you saw in the one video that I'm sitting there telling you about the changes that we've had. Okay, and then this here is kind of my station where I charge everything up. And then here is my other spare room, our other spare room. And this is a treadmill that my son left behind for me to use, which helps me a lot because I need to stay mobile a lot, because otherwise if I sit too long, then I have problems with inflamed joints and stuff. Okay, and so this is the other bedroom. This was my daughter's furniture when she was a young girl. And so what I did, we had put it in the shipping container. We saved that. I brought it all out. and I went and repainted it. So when I was feeling good after those 3 months that I was laid up in the bed and stuff, when I felt good, I came out and I did a little painting, and I'd wait the next day and go back and repaint it again. So that was kind of kept me busy and not thinking about, the issues that I had. Okay, then here you can see the other part of the side of the kitchen where I have my gym, or my gym stationary bike there. And I have a big TV up here on the wall, so I can put the TV on, watch my Turkish soap operas, and I can get on my bike and do 10 miles a day. Now, over here in this section here, this is for the grandkids. Now, the grandkids, when they come over, they have sewing machines. They each one have their own desk. They can come over, they can sew, they can paint, they can do cooking with the big table up here in the kitchen and stuff. And then over there in the far corner, you see all those bags of cat food and stuff. That's for the furrows. That's where we keep all the furrows supplies at. And then that big bucket there of their food and stuff. We still have 9 furrows. We're down a few from the 14, but the road takes a few of them out. And then we get some new ones that come in. But we just keep feeding them because they're our babies. And so this here is kind of our new water machine. We didn't have that. We had this one here, the one with the jug before in the RV. So I'm looking for a new home for that one. But we now have this one. My son left that behind for me, which works really well because anytime I want hot tea, I've got hot tea. And then over here on this side, we have the other bathroom with the shower and stuff. And I went and I did those cabinets there. I painted those. We have a stackable, which is really nice. So, and that is our new place. It's just simple and easy for us, and this works great for us. Well, guys, that's our tour. Now, I'm telling you, we are happy now. We were a little worried and a little kind of sad when we got out of the RV and stuff. We just was not, sure how that was going to work for us. But we are happy now, and this is working great for us because now I have space to be able to walk around, do the treadmill, do the stationary bike. And then if I, need to use the walker, I can move it around with the RV. That was just not possible. It was just 339 square feet, where this one here now is like probably almost 1,600 square feet. So that really is a good thing for us, and we're very happy. So you guys, I hope you've enjoyed our little tour of our new place. And so, I'm probably later on, our next videos are going to be going into Lebanon, to the Middle East, and to Dubai, and into Frankfurt. You will be seeing a little bit because my son invited me on a trip after Christmas, and so he took his mom all the way back to the Middle East after 51 years of being the first time ever there. After 48 years, I have went back. And so you'll be seeing those videos coming up in the future. Thank you guys for watching my video, and you guys have a nice day. Bye now.